Take the German state of Bavaria, add a king who loves to spend money on a lavish home, and you end up with a one-of-a-kind, awe-inspiring castle that should not be passed up. So how do you get to Neuschwanstein? We're going to show you. But first, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Germany's fairy tale castle is located in the southeastern German state of Bavaria, an easy day trip by train from Munich. Neuschwanstein Castle is near the town of Füssen, close to the Austrian border. You can easily visit the castle as a day trip from Munich, and the best part, you can do it independently. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Take a local train to Füssen. Regional trains link Munich Hauptbahnhof with Füssen every hour throughout the day. Journey time is 2 hours and 2 minutes. No reservation is necessary or possible. Just turn up, buy a ticket, and hop on the next train. Sit back and enjoy the train ride. Regular fare is around 22 euros each way. Only pay this if you need to leave before 9 a.m. on a weekday. Pro tip: the cheapest option is to buy a Bayern ticket. 25 euros for the first passenger, plus 6 euros for each additional passenger, up to 5 people. This will give you unlimited travel on regional trains after 9 a.m. on weekdays and any time on weekends. This will cover your fare to Füssen as well as your round-trip ticket back to Munich. This is the best fare out there. When you get to Füssen, get off the train and walk to the end of the platform and hang a right where you'll take bus 73 or 78. There will be a crowd going that direction, so you can't miss it. Step 2. Take bus 73 or 78 from Füssen to Neuschwanstein. The buses leave about twice an hour from directly alongside the Füssen train station. The journey time is about 8 minutes. Your Bayern train ticket will cover this bus, so hang on to it and show the driver when you board. When you arrive at the village of Neuschwanstein, get off the bus and head towards the ticket office. Step 3. Get in line at the ticket office. The line to get tickets on site is usually incredibly long, and even if you bought your tickets in advance, you still need to exchange your vouchers at the ticket office, though there is a separate, usually shorter line for this. If you don't already have a designated time, they will assign one when you get there, which could be longer than expected depending on how many people arrive ahead of you. Pro tip: purchase your tickets ahead of time. Since the number of tickets available each day is limited, high demand can lead to tickets being sold out in the afternoon. For a trouble-free visit of the castles and to avoid very long waiting times at the ticket center, we recommend reserving the tickets in advance. Reservations are possible up to 2 days before your desired visit to the castle. Reservations for the same day are not possible. Tickets need to be picked up at least 90 minutes prior to your tour time. Step number 4. Getting to the castle. You have your tickets, now it's time to go. There are 3 ways to get there. You can walk. It's a steep uphill climb that takes 30 to 40 minutes. If you're relatively fit or on a tight budget, it's a doable option. Shuttle bus. It costs 3 euros for a return trip. The lineups get long as the shuttles are not very frequent. If you're in a time crunch, this is not the best option. Horse carriage. This is the fastest option since the lineup isn't as long, but it's the most expensive. It's worth noting that the shuttle bus and horse carriages do not go right up to the castle. From where it drops you off, it's another 10-minute walk uphill. Step number 5. Going on your tour. On your ticket is a tour number that you've been assigned to. At the entrance of the castle, there's a gate with a screen showing your tour number, and you can enter once your number is called. Now go inside. The tour itself is guided, and there will be a tour guide waiting for you when you enter the castle. Step number 6. Getting back to Munich. Just do everything in reverse. Walk downhill from the castle to catch a shuttle and horse carriage, or walk the 30 to 40 minutes back to the ticket center. Take the shuttle or horse carriage to the ticket center. Show your round-trip ticket for the shuttle. Take bus 78 to Füssen station. Remember, it's free with your Bayern train ticket. And then take the Füssen station to Munich. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and do not forget to ring that bell. Till next time, happy and safe travels.